What is going on, folks? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be fishing the lake once again. I'm excited to get out there. The weather's perfect today. It's not too windy compared to last time. It got extremely windy, but today the weather's nice. There's a lot of boats out here though, but hopefully we can catch some fish today. I'm not too sure whether we will, but the conditions seem right. Water clarity seems good. There's no main objective for today's video. I'm just gonna try and use bigger baits to catch bigger fish. Last time I did lose probably about a 5-pounder or so. I want to try and catch a big fish today. That's the main objective for today's video. Just catch fish in general. Maybe catch over 3 fish. Not too sure, but we'll see if we can catch them. Let's get to it. The main objective for today's video is, just to catch fish in general, but I want to catch a big fish today. I want to start using baits, bigger baits in general, just this summer to try and catch bigger fish, entice those bigger fish, because I catch a lot of fish in the summer, but I don't catch as many big fish. So I caught my PB on a Slim Shake. It's a pretty decent sized bait. I'm gonna try and use Slim Shakes more this summer, entice those bigger fish to commit to eat. But yeah, the main objective for today's video is just have a day, catch some fish, try and land a big fish. Water clarity is good, weather's good. We should be able to catch some fish today. Hopefully we can. See if we can make something happen. That's a fish. That's a nice one. That is a decent one. Okay, yeah, just jump in my yak, buddy. There we go. First fish of the day. Not bad. About a 2.5. I will take him all day long on the Slim Shake. When I first hooked into him, I thought he was a giant. He's a decent size, close to 2.5. Not a bad first fish of the day. Wow, and I'm fishing a highly pressured area right now. I'm gonna go ahead and let this fish go back in the water. No, he's gonna jump, he's gonna jump. Oh my gosh, that's freaking funny. Not bad, first fish of the day. See if we can catch another one like that. Not a bad fish, not a bad fish to start off the day. That's a fish. Second fish of the day right there. That is a nice one. Let's freaking go. Ate it right at the yak. Alrighty. Get in here, buddy. Second fish of the day. We are slaying them today, everybody. Lens got a little wet there. Second fish of the day. About the same size, actually. Maybe a 2-pounder. That one was probably a little bit bigger. Not a bad fish. I will take him. 45 minutes in and we already caught 2 fish. Gonna go ahead and let this fish go. Back in the water he goes. Let's keep grinding. Oh, I just missed one. I just missed one. Well, he took the tail off. Must have been a small fish. I've caught a dink on a 10-inch worm. It's like insane. These fish in this lake, they go after like even the bigger baits, so that could have been a small fish, not too sure. Gotta slow down a bit. That could have been our 3rd fish of the day. All right, so for those of you who are curious as to what color I'm using watermelon red. Now the water is extremely clear right now, so I love to use watermelon red when the water is clear. It just, the way the sun hits the bait, those red sparkles, and the way how you fish it just fires up those fish. So the way I like to fish this bait is I like to cast it out there, give it a few seconds, kind of just let it sit there, and then I like to fish it pretty aggressively. I like to give it some good pops, because those pops will kind of imitate a craw. If you've ever seen a craw, they kind of dart and they kind of move like that. They just seem to like it for some reason. Watermelon red with clear water is just deadly. These fish just get fired up. This edge usually has some pretty decent sized fish, so I'm gonna take my time right here on this side with the Slim Shake. Hopefully we can entice a big fish to eat it. I've caught some nice 2-pounders, but I want to catch a big fish. Hopefully we can make that happen. Oh, I just got murked. That could be the big fish we're after. I knew I was gonna lose them. I hate when fish do that. They run towards me. That was a good bite though. That was a really, really good bite. Oh, that's a fish. Got one. That could be a decent one. That's a nice one. Third fish of the day. That's why I love this edge. Gotta take my time here. I already caught 2 fish right here in this edge. This is the second one. He came off. You've got to be kidding me. He came off. No. No, that's like the 3rd fish I lose. Dang it. I really thought I had that fish. Really thought I had him. That's a fish. Got one. 3rd fish of the day, if we can land him. And he came off. Oh, I love it. I freaking love it. I just love losing fish so dang much. Just realizing now that I could have landed 6 fish by now. What a day. Fantastic day. That's another fish. Thanks for biting. Oh, gotta love fishing. I gotta love fishing. Is that a fish? That's a fish. Come on. Come on. Come on. Get in the yak. Let's freaking go. 3rd fish of the day. I will take him. All right. All right. We get it. We get it. You flop. We get it. All right. This one I actually set the hook good. This one we landed. 3rd fish of the day right there. What a giant. I mean, absolute stud. This could have been our 8th fish of the day. I'm not gonna think about it. Gonna go ahead and release this fish back in the water. There he goes. Slim Shake's getting it done today. I've gotten so many bites, it's absurd. That's a fish. 4th fish of the day right there. That's a decent one. Smallmouth, I will take him. I haven't caught a smallmouth in a while. Oh, I love how smallmouth fight. I love how these fish fight. They never freaking give up. There we go. 4th fish of the day. These fish are so freaking aggressive. I love catching these fish. Kind of soak the camera. 4th fish of the day. These fish are so beautiful. I love how these fish fight. They're so beautiful, super aggressive. I haven't caught a smallmouth in a while. Not a bad fish though. Beautiful fish right there. Gonna go ahead and let this fish go. Back in the water. There he goes. I love the fight. I love how smallmouth fight. It's insane. All right, folks, that is going to effectively end today's video. Today was a struggle as far as landing fish. Landing fish was a problem today. I couldn't seem to make it happen. I kept hooking into fish and I kept losing them, but we caught 4 fish in total today, which is not bad at all. The fish seemed to be up shallow today and they were pretty aggressive. We caught all those fish on the watermelon red, Slim Shake. Watermelon red and clear water are just deadly. We caught so many fish today, so not a bad day. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Summer is finally coming around. That's when I catch the most fish. Winter, I don't really catch as many fish, but summer's coming around. The weather's starting to warm up and the fish are starting to get more active. So not a bad day at all. I hope y'all enjoyed today's video. If y'all did, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Drop a comment down below if you have any future video ideas. With that being said, I'll catch y'all next time on JJ Fishes.